Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform hard reset, restore your Viomi SE to factory settings. So in order to do that, you will need to press the button right here, the home button, and hold it until you hear the sound that the Viomi will reset the factory settings, and after that press it again, and you will need to wait till the device reaches the charging port right here. But I'm only going to show you how to press the button and wait and then select and then press again. I'm not gonna show you how it writes to the charging port. So to do it, simply follow my steps.
Factory settings will be restored. Returning to the dock to charge.
So now it would
Stop returning to dock to charge.
So now it would return to the charging port, but I just stopped it. After reaching it would restart and you would have the factory settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.